Celebrate Good Bird Love Dinosaurs t-shirt. Whimsical blend of prehistoric fascination and feathered beauty with our Good Bird Love Dinosaurs t-shirt collection. Perfect for dino lovers, bird watchers, or anyone with a quirky sense of humor. This design bridges the ancient world of dinosaurs with the modern marvels of birds. Whether you're lounging, heading to a casual event, or layering up for chilly weather, there's a style here just for you. All products are made from 100% cotton and manufactured in the United States, ensuring premium comfort and top-tier quality. Washed t-shirt. Bird Love Dinosaurs. Classic comfort. Show your love for dinosaurs with this fun, washed t-shirt featuring your favorite feathered friends. Our washed t-shirt offers a soft, worn-in feel that makes it an instant favorite. The faded texture gives the Bird Love Dinosaurs graphic a retro aesthetic, as if it's been passed down from an ancient era, just like the birds from dinosaurs themselves. This shirt is ideal for those who want a laid-back look with a touch of fossil-inspired flair. Crafted from 100% cotton and produced in the United States, it's breathable, stylish, and irresistibly cozy. T-shirt. Bird Love Dinosaurs. Waves of comfort. The classic. Show your love for birds and dinosaurs with our quirky Good Bird Love Dinosaurs t-shirt. The classic t-shirt is a must-have staple that lets your love for birds and dinosaurs shine. With its bold and playful design front and center, this shirt pairs perfectly with jeans, joggers, or shorts. Whether you're running errands or exploring a natural history museum, the comfort of American-made 100% cotton ensures you'll stay cool and confident all day. It's a timeless piece for modern fans of ancient creatures. Tank top. Bird Love Dinosaurs. Riding the in style. Show your love for dinosaurs with our adorable Good Bird Love tank top. Perfect for dino lovers. Beat the heat and show off your style with our tank top version of the Good Bird Love Dinosaurs design. With open arms and breathable fabric, this piece is perfect for summer outings, gym sessions, or days at the park. The crisp dinosaur and bird artwork pops against the fabric, giving it a bold yet airy look. Made from 100% cotton and proudly manufactured in the United States, it's the ultimate blend of freedom and flair. V-neck. Bird Love Dinosaurs. Elegance and edge. Show your love for birds and dinosaurs with our fun, Good Bird Love ladies tee. Prefer a touch of elegance in your casual wear? The V-neck t-shirt showcases the same beloved graphic but with a modern neckline twist, ideal for layering or wearing solo. This piece suits casual Fridays, weekend getaways, or lazy days at home. Its American craftsmanship and 100% cotton material guarantee both durability and softness. The birds and dinosaurs unite beautifully across your chest, sparking conversation and admiration alike. Sweater. Bird Love Dinosaurs. Warmth and attitude. Show your love for birds and dinosaurs with our cozy Good Bird Love sweatshirt. When temperatures drop, reach for our sweater version of the Good Bird Love Dinosaurs collection. With its warm, soft interior and vibrant print, this sweater wraps you in comfort while celebrating your favorite evolutionary story. It's perfect for nature walks, school days, or cuddling up indoors. Like all our apparel, it's 100% cotton and made in the United States, designed to last through every season. Hoodie. Bird Love Dinosaurs. Ultimate comfort and style. Embrace your inner dino lover. Get cozy in our Good Bird Love Dinosaurs hoodie today. Our hoodie brings together comfort, function, and playful design, featuring a front pocket and cozy hood. This piece is ideal for cooler days when you want to keep warm and still showcase your love for dinosaurs and birds. The detailed print remains striking even in larger formats, making it a conversation starter. Constructed with 100% cotton and produced in the United States, it's the perfect companion for your everyday adventures. Conclusion. From good bird love dinosaurs t-shirt washes to cozy hoodies, Apparel line brings your favorite ancient tale to life. Every piece is made with 100% cotton and manufactured in the United States, ensuring quality, comfort, and eco-conscious production. Whether you're a bird lover, a dinosaur nerd, or simply enjoy fun fashion, this collection has something for everyone. Bring history and humor into your wardrobe today. Other product.